So today is Damian's birthday. Let's make a birthday surprise for him. He's still sleeping actually. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, sayang.
Okay, wake up then. Make a wish. Happy birthday,
Oh,
honey.
thank you, sayang. I love ya.
I love you.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. So we just wake up and I already made a birthday surprise for Damian. Happy birthday, honey.
Oh, thank you, sayang.
All right.
What should I say? I don't know. Just it's my birthday today, and yeah.
Yeah, we normally celebrate his birthday somewhere outside of the country, but because of this situation, we just stay in Bali. And then, yeah, hopefully next year, yeah, we will go somewhere.
That's not a big problem. Bali is wonderful, like always.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go have a breakfast.
Yeah, first of all, we will have a breakfast. And then we will explore how Ubud situation right now. So the new normal holiday in Ubud. We will see how it is.
Alright, so we have a breakfast in this lovely place. Yes, sayang.
Yeah.
With the beautiful view.
The sound of the, nature. Breathtaking view. Beautiful.
And it's rainy again.
Yeah, it's raining again. But the weather is so fresh. I really love it.
But even if it's rainy, it's still very, very nice. And I really like the
It's
vibe.
very beautiful vibe here in Ubud.
Yeah.
You know that I don't wanna feel this way again. So let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
Alright, so after the breakfast we are in Tegalalang. As you can see, we are walking on the street where mostly so many people and everything is like very busy, right?
Yeah, but nowadays, as you see, the shops are closed everywhere. Still closed. The restaurant is closed. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. So basically everything is closed, but we will try to go down to the rice fields.
Yeah.
So basically many entrances to go down to the rice fields are also closed because they are, every entrance is owned by the restaurant, which as you can see from the road, but we found one is open, and yeah, it's signless, not many people, it's like for 3 or 4 months nobody walk over here, right, Saya?
Yes.
It's getting
As
like...
you see, only us are here. Everything is closed, restaurant is closed, and the famous swing in Tegalalang also closed.
Yeah, and the path is
so
also
sad.
seems like it's abandoned. Like, yes, you can see some. Yeah, we will see. And over there is the swing. Can you see it?
Yeah,
It's
the
always
famous swing here.
Yeah.
It's really sad. It looks like ghost place. So quiet, nobody here.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go a little bit more further. We will see how it's done over there. Yeah, nobody here, and even you can come here without any fees. Yeah, but however, to be honest, it looks very sad because normally like half year ago, not even still in February, right? Was
Yes.
so many people. You in
Even
here.
you are always in a big long queue if
Yeah.
you wanna have a swing, taking picture here.
Was-
But nowadays, nobody's here. Empty.
Totally empty. So this path where Winnie is walking now and where we are walking, normally so many people here, and the path it looks also little bit different than now.
Carefully.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Unluckily, we cannot go up to the rice paddies because the bridge here is closed.
Yeah, everything is closed here.
Yeah.
And the more deep we go, the path it looks like this one.
It's really abandoned.
Yeah, the path right now, to compare to the few months ago, is like completely different place.
And as you
Yeah.
see in our video, nobody here, only us.
Yeah.
It's so sad, yeah?
Yeah. Let's go. Alright, we found the one warung who's selling the accessories and dresses and clothes. And Winnie, of course, noticed something interesting, so maybe we will buy something, right?
Yeah.
What do you have, Sayang? Tell me.
I want to buy new bracelet.
Hold on, I
This
will
one.
show you.
This one.
Oh, nice.
This is so nice, beautiful, yeah?
Nice.
Yeah. I want to buy this one.
Dobrze.
Okay.
Alright, we arrived back to the hotel and we're gonna chill out a little bit. We have to do some job, I have to edit the video. Later we're gonna show you guys more about the hotel, the pool, maybe I will fly drone a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we will see what they gonna bring us.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Maybe it's cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight, cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Start on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb. I knew that you were the one, played our songs all the time. Can we say it tonight, cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. You know that I don't.
Alright guys, we just come back from the swimming in the pool. I fly the drone and everything, wearing my very fancy outfit. And you know what? I just got to bathroom and check this out, guys. Woo! So cool, huh? Happy birthday! Thank you so much, Jannata Resort Ubud. Alright, so it's super cool. And by the way, the Winnie doesn't organize it. This is the complimentary from the hotel. So whenever you stay in this hotel when you have your birthday, they're gonna make something like this for you as the complimentary. Super cool, isn't it? After everything, and now we're gonna go to the having dinner.
Yeah, so we will go to the center Ubud again. We will have dinner. birthday dinner for you.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see. So we arrived to the restaurant for having my birthday dinner in Ubud. As you can see, this place is kinda cool, with the rice fields and umbrellas and the nice walk. Actually, in this restaurant, because this restaurant is closed, we was already in this restaurant where I'm coming now once, and it's very nice. We'll show you guys the food little bit, and yeah, still uploading the video for today, by the way. Very bad. Sometimes is the problems with the internet in Indonesia. Doesn't matter of the place, is the hotel or restaurant, is just not working properly, and that's the big struggle and big hassle for me. Alright guys, so our food arrived. I have a bread burger. And sayang, what do you have?
So I have a deep fried crispy duck, my favorite one in Ubud, and also the salad.
Nice. So because it's my birthday, I can have whatever I want. So I wanna have an ice cream. The ice cream you wanna have?
I'm thinking to have a chocolate ice cream.
Classy.
Yeah, you know that I really love chocolate actually.
So what you have, Sam?
So I order Ferrero.
Nice. And I'm gonna get a sorbet raspberry. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, we just come back to the hotel and we are so tired. We knew already taking a shower. We're gonna finish this vlog today. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and new vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.